Hello everyone, my name is Ria. I'm from Asia Group. As you all know, our company organized daily job fair like Monday, Wednesday, Friday, 11 a.m. and the same day the interview timing is 2 p.m. and Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, Sunday the job fair timing is 2 p.m. and the same day the interview timing is 5 p.m. When you visit our office, you will get that yellow ticket, which means you're gonna challenge the interview company. The same day you will get the blue ticket, which means you can have lunch and coffee on the first floor, which is free of cost. For example, this is the cleaning job, like cleaning of washing machines and air conditioners. The location is Tokyo and the timing is from 8:15 to 5:45 and the salary is 2 lakh 10,000 yen to 3 lakh 20,000 yen, and the Japanese language skills is daily basic conversation, and the location is Tokyo. If you are interested to give interview in this company, you can contact us on this number 0362068058. Thank you.